like a pilot in a flight simulator, like a kid in a fire drill, modern military law enforcement training to adults with discipline makes killing a conditioned response, and it works, and we know it works, and we know the video games can do the same thing to our kids. So children are committing crimes as children like we'd never seen before in history. And the new factor is the video games and the internet and the sleep deprivation. And the term I use is murder simulators. The flight simulators teach you to fly, the murder simulators teach you to murder.
These programs use the same technology as law enforcement and military. These programs are highly effective billion-dollar training tools to increase lethality in our military and police. So why are we so foolish that if you take the same technology and give it to a child, a young child, and expect a no effect?
If it's any kind of a first-person violent game, you got to understand that the kid becomes the player and the fight or flight hormones are flooding through their body. The left brain processing is catastrophically shut down by these violent video games. Any kind of a first player exciting game where they start getting excited and they start pumping and they're bouncing, those are fight or flight hormones bouncing through their body, and something counterproductive is happening, and they are profoundly addictive. When they get in that fight or flight mode, and these games and the movies and so ever much in the internet is designed to cue into that. And then when you add the pornography and the violence, then you've got two biological dynamics of enormous power that are just irresistible to children. And what the video games and the social media is doing is feeding into that in such a toxic, corrosive, and destructive way.